onion and garlic. Gonna beat the garlic or grind the garlic and the onion. After onion is peeled and cut up, we're gonna beat it. Add them together in a container and add some boiling water. Cover it and leave it overnight. Here's how it look the next day after you strain it off. And you're gonna sweeten it with some maple syrup or honey. Anyone you prefer, honey or maple syrup. I use maple syrup. Then get 2 pegs of garlic and cut it up and add it in the container. Then pour the liquid and the cut up garlic in the container and cover it and store it in a cool dry place. Can last years. The longer it stay, the more better.